And Malacanang says President Aquino should still have discretionary power over certain funds, including government proceeds from Malampaya gas. But Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma says this would be subject to further policy discussions. Added details from Rocky Ignacio.
President Aquino directed his cabinet to formulate a mechanism that would protect the integrity of public fund. Presidential Communications Operations Secretary Sonny Coloma said the new system will be based under the 2014 National Expenditure Plan. This is to ensure the proper utilization of government fund.
Patuloy po ang pakikipag-ugnayan ng gabinete ng ating Pangulo sa mga lider ng Kongreso upang at maisaayos ang sistema ng ating pambansang budget. Alinsunod sa tema ng ating 2014 National Expenditure Plan na paggugol ng matuwid daan sa kasaganaan.
The palace official issued a statement amid the controversial misuse of PDAF by some lawmakers and to the questions raised by critics on the legality to realign government savings for other purposes. Coloma said the economic team has proposed for the amendments of Presidential Decree 1234 or the formulation of procedures for the management of special and fiduciary funds in all government offices and GOCCs during the meeting. Coloma added that options to use the Malampaya Fund had been discussed by Finance Secretary Cesar Purisima. Under the law, Malampaya Fund should be allocated for energy-related projects only.
Karoon ng talakayan nang inilahad yung National Expenditure Plan ng Development Budget Coordinating Committee. Binubuo po ito ni na Secretary Cesar Purisima at Secretary Butz Abad. Nagkaroon po ng mahalagang talakayan kung paano mapapangalagaan ang pondo ng bayan. Nagkaroon ng isang pananaw na dapat pag-aralan ang posibleng pag-amyenda sa PD 1234. Inilahad po ni Secretary Purisima, isang CPA, ang kakaibang karakter ng Malampaya Fund. Ang ayon po sa kanya, medyo technical po ito, no? Ito ay isang revenue account na nakabilang sa general fund. Sa kabilang banda naman, ito ay special account, no, na pwedeng i-disburse. No? So sabi niya, ito ay problematic from an accounting point of view. Ngunit nililinaw po ni Secretary Purisima na ito pong practice na ito, itong accounting system na ito ay minanapa mula sa nakaraan at ito ay sakop ng mga probisyon ng PD 1234.
Coloma clarified that the recommendation endorsed by Purisima regarding Malampaya Fund is still under study. Meanwhile, Coloma assured that the Malampaya Fund is intact. The palace officials said this in response to Senator Ralph Recto's statement that the remaining balance from the natural gas project is gone.
Nagkaroon po ng total collection simula noong 2002 to 2000 hanggang sa kasalukuyan po. Kung iaawas yung 23 million na dinisburse under the Arroyo administration at yung 19 billion na dinisburse sa Aquino administration, total of 42, deducted from 179, ang nalalabi pong pondo, ang fund balance po niyan ay 137 billion.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.